subscribe, click on the bell, like, comment, share.
Carburetors are your old school analog option, and they're what all motorcycles relied on up until fuel injection began to arrive in the 1980s. This thing may look complicated, but it's actually a pretty simple device. But my point is that carburetors are entirely mechanical. That is both a blessing and a curse.
DJ bass goes, baby, living that bike life promise. The rider aims for fancy electronics, fulfilling buyers' remorse, to be honest. On the milk crate sitting, wrenching a screwdriver in my hand, listening to Sublime in my garage fixing, and rejetting my car so I can get out there and ride hard to the beachfront boulevard. 651cc's, fist in the air, knees in the breeze. The hum of the engine is so hypnotic, puts my mind at ease. I want to live stress-free, but life's so full of stress, worry, anxiety, and responsibilities, and the ills of society like racism, homelessness, unemployment, police brutality. But on my bike I feel free. 6 gallons of fuel will get me to wherever I need to be. Wherever this road is taking me, the speakers in my helmet blasting tunes in my ear. Not the crap on the radio, it's tunes I like to hear. From the Doors, to Jimi Hendrix, to Brownstone, to Nas, the club music or instrumentals. Last night I comprised the songs about nothing but the open road. Made the wind blow away the pain wrapped around my soul. So when I roll back into town, my head would be clear. Bass goes, baby, God's only one I fear. Aha. Bass goes, let's go for a ride. It's like that, let's go for a ride. A bass goose, baby, a bass goose, baby. Let's go into an unknown town off the interstate, westward bound, fuel stop, complexion bound. The only minority around, take off my helmet to cool down. Dreads fall down my back, high octane, refueling. Somewhere across the map, that's done. Quick run inside the quickie mark, then I'm done. Doritos by the water, they ain't have no honey bun. Local staring, old folks, I don't like their attitude. Nice town I passed through is too colonial. Let me suit back up without no incident. Natural tan radiating, just too much melanin. Press the button, she explodes with the roar of a lion. Flick the wrist, speed out of town remarkably without dying. That's life, black or white. We want to enjoy life. I want peace and unity, plus about that bike life. DJ Bass Ghost, baby, I want to live free without stress and strife. Let's go for a ride. Baby, Bass Ghost, let's go for a ride. Shout out to cyclecruza, DJ Collapse. Y'all hear me? Let's go for a ride. For everybody out there who's living this life, Romeo, yo, let's go for a ride. Fashion XO posse, come on, let's go for a ride. It's going out to everybody out there, baby. Let's go for a ride. Bass Ghost, baby, representing that bike life right now. Let's go for a ride. All my two-wheel brethren, no matter what you riding, let's go for a ride. Just be safe out there, cause it's real. Bass Ghost.
You are now listening to DJ Bass Ghost. Listening to DJ You are now listening to DJ Bass Ghost.